Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G13. For that, you want to go to your settings and click on display and then go to screen timeout here. Now you can choose between 15 seconds and 30 minutes, and personally 15 seconds and 30 seconds are a bit too short. I think the screen blacks out way too soon if I choose that. And then also 5 minutes, 10 minutes and 30 minutes are a bit of a safety issue for me, because then people could just get to my phone when I have it like laying on the side. Now still though, I'm going to choose 15 seconds now just to demonstrate how it works, and then we'll wait a little while. And now the screen dimmed a bit, and now it locked itself. So now we can unlock our phone again, and then we're back in the phone. So that's how you customize. If you ever want to change that again, you just need to go back to your settings, go to display and click on screen timeout. So that's how you customize and change the screen timeout on your Motorola Moto G13. I hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.